Yes, it is.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Guys, I'm lost in Bangkok. Look. JL and Devon. Ito kayo mamili. Kasi may Amerikanong naghahanap din dito ng sakit din ata yung likod niya, guys, no? So guys, after 5 minutes of walking, we are finally here at the Sapan Taksim BTS station. Akit tayo ngayon. Bibili pa lang tayo ng ticket. Parang gusto ko i-try na ako naman bibili ng ticket. Parang naman experience natin, guys. So ang pupuntahan natin ay Iwan or yun sa kabila, pwede either sa kanilang dalawa. So dadaan pa rin tayo ng dark green line kasi dito tayo galing. Mag-green line tayo, yan, tapos mag-change or switch tayo to light green light going to Iwan. Okay, so Iwan tayo. Iwan is Chitlom or Ratchatichui. So sitlom tayo, guys. So one only. Fare is 40. So meron naman tayong dito, points dito. So try natin. Perfect, guys. Oh, see? We have our ticket going to Chitlom. Come again?
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak.
Yeah, I want to. Can you help me?
Oh, sure. Where are you going?
No, I want to go to the railway station, big railway station. I want to buy a ticket to Malaysia.
To Malaysia? What station are you going to?
I don't know. The big station, she says maybe this one.
Buy a new ticket. Ah, you get off of Mochit.
Yeah.
You go to Mochit. Yeah, we are here. We are here at Sapan,
Yeah.
Takin,
Oh.
at S6. You will go to Mochit.
So I'll change here.
Yes, but you only buy one card. You buy one card to Mochit. So when you get there to Mochit, you ask the staff.
How much?
Wait. Zoom in, and then you click N8. N8 is Mochit, right?
Yeah.
N8. So you click N8. N8. Okay, you press English. That's Mochit. It's 47 baht.
47. Is written?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So guys, sinulungan natin si Kuya na parang Malaysian siya. He said he's going to Malaysia for some reason. Now, perfect. Perfect natin, guys. Parang nasa MRT, LRT lang ako ng Pilipinas. Diba? So guys, we are going up to the platform. So andito pa rin tayo sa Sapan Taksim S6 station ng BTS. So guys, may naman na tren. Ito, papunta to pa doon sa left side. Going to the left, that's going to Bangwa. So hindi yan ha, hindi yan. Kabilang dako yan. So hintayin natin yung papunta doon sa right, going to National Park. Kasi papunta tayo sa Pratunam. Okay.
Passengers please queue up in the green zone.
So guys, I just got off the train in Siam Station. So I'm here at Central World. Yeah, Central World Mall. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung Pratunam Market where we can buy affordable products. Guys, I'm lost in Bangkok. Look. Bangkok is real and it's so hot here in Bangkok. Napakainit ng tirik yung araw, guys. Ayan, so akyat tayo sa footbridge na yan. hopefully that will lead us to the shopping mall. So guys, very ano sa kanila talaga yung mga parang altar. Kita niyo yan? Yung parang altar. That's very common here in Thailand. Diba? Pier 111. Oh, Market Bangkok. You see that? It's Market Bangkok. This is Pier 111. So, nasa footbridge ako ngayon. Good thing may mga footbridge sila dito guys, no, na kahit tirik yung araw naman, we're able to be covered by the footbridge. May ano naman pala guys. Here's a map kung saan mo bet, no? So it's W1, it's W2, E4, E1. Oh, I see. So let's go. Pagkatawid natin ng park, yan na yung Platinum Mall. And then after the Platinum Mall, yan na yung market kung saan makakabili tayo ng mga cheap products here in Bangkok. Okay? We are entering the Platinum Mall. Oh, this is 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 100 for 6 pieces. It's 100 baht. So meaning 6 pieces. It's like 18. Oh, pa lang siya. 18 per baht. 18 per baht. 18 baht per piece. No, so let's compute. So guys, ito yung sikat kasi sa atin, di ba? Mga addict tayo sa ganito. Black inhaler. Pero mas mahal yung black inhaler. It's 170 for 6 pieces. So, compute natin guys, ha? Let's compute. Okay. So, for 100 divided by, ang ingay, huwag kayo mag-ingay. 16. Okay, so 16 times 1.8. Guys, 30 pesos isa dito. Okay lang ba? Okay, so sige, maghanap pa tayo ng iba pa. Huwag muna tayo mag-stick into one. Tawadika. Okay. Oh, this one. Oh, how much? How much?
420.
420, guys. This is like singhot din. So it's 420 divided by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 12? 12 equals, 35 baht each times 1.8. Siyempre, magta-times sa pesos. 63 pesos each. Okay. Good enough. Pero let's check more pa, no? Okay. Kapag ka. Okay, so let's check more pa. Huwag tayong bumili agad-agad kasi let's go down para makatawid tayo doon sa Pratunam Market. So, syempre, itong Platinum Mall, expect mo na mall siya, mas mahal, onte, yung mga prices niya, di ba? So, parang ano lang siya, parang 168 mall sa Divisoria. Doon tayo sa labas, no? Oh, sige guys, sa labas na tayo. Eto na. We are going out. Okay. Hey, oh, this is the outside world. So, I think this is the start of the Pratunam Market, but I can only see food. See food everywhere. I can't see any RTW. Okay, kakain ba tayo? Parang gusto ko something ice cream or whatsoever, no? Hang liit ng pinya. Tubo, marami yan sa Bohol. Charot. What's this? What are these? Nuts. These are nuts. Cashew nuts. Oh. Okay. Pero nasaan yung market na mura? Guys, I'm still looking for the murang market outside. I think there's another footbridge there, over there, na pwede tayong tumawid. Kasi kailangan tumawid yun eh. Parang may pagtawid siyang magaganap bago natin marating yung market na yun. So let's see. This is the Platinum Mall, guys, no? At doon sa footbridge na yun, makikita mo yung view ng Platinum Mall. Oh, siguro mas mura dito kasi nasa outside world eh. Let's ask. Sawadika, good morning. May I ask how much this is? The whole thing?
Whole Thai inhaler.
How much?
The price is 420.
420 for 12 pieces. How much is it? Let me compute. So guys, it's 420, right?
Yes,
4, wait lang guys ha. Kasi Pwede naman siya tumawad slight for 20 divided by 12. 35 each. 35 each na siya. Sa loob ng mall is 36. Less than 1 baht here outside. How much? That 6 pieces?
100 baht.
100. Oh, the same inside the mall. It's 100 baht. Okay, I'll just go around. I know the price already and then I'll go around. Okay? Kapun ka. Daming food. Ay, Diyos ko. Nananaba ako dito sa, guys, sa Bangkok. Oh, there's Boko juice. Oh, the mango is so big. Look at the mango. So big. Oh, Pad Thai. My favorite. Oh my God. Okay, so guys, ayan ha. Sa gitna ng tirik ng araw, maraming nagbibenta dito ng food. Oh, so yummy. Bakit kaya iniikot-ikot nila yung mga soft drinks, guys? Nalilito ako. Di ba pag ginano natin yung soft drinks, sasabog yon? Ewan ko ba? Oh, wow. Is this a ref magnet? Oh, ref magnet. This is a ref magnet. How much?
This is like 150, like this is 100 baht.
Oh, how many pieces? 4 pieces, 100 baht.
Yes, like
Yes.
this is 150.
150, 4 pieces also. And this one? Same 100.
150.
150. Okay, so 150. I saw the market na. The Changi market. I already saw it, guys. It's in front, over there, just across the road. So we will go there at the footbridge, go down there. So guys, ang daming tao dito. Baka magbuksan yung likod ng bag. Wala namang mananakaw. Hiningal ako doon Wow! Ayun na siya, just right in front of me. Oh, nasa loob na tayo ng mall ulit. Diba? BFF, best friend. So let's look for, syempre, yung para sa atin. 150. 130, 2 pieces. Guys, 130, 2 pieces for 200. So, magkano yun? Mga 180 each, no? Dalawa na siya wholesale. Oo. Sige, hanap pa tayo, guys. Huwag tayong bumili agad-agad. Ano to? Ang ganda ng mga tela ng nila, guys. It's like, it's giving social yung mga cloth. Parang ibang-iba yung tela. Uy, ang laki. Para for big boys to, guys. For big boys, no? Oh, Mickey! It's Mickey! Alam, guys. So meron silang mga fat boys. Fat boys. JL, tsaka Andivon. Para sa inyo to. Fat boys. JL and Devon. Ito kayo mamili. So guys, nakabili na ako ng t-shirt dito sa may Changi, sa labas ng So ito yung nabili ko, Ganda, di ba? So it's 130 baht for wholesale. Wholesale is 3. Pag isa lang binili mo, 200 each. Kasi hindi ako makapili ng maayos ng design. Kasi si Aki parang galit pag may tinatanong ako. Buti nga binilhan ko siya Crop top. Guys, crop top. For boys. For men. Crop top for men. For girls. Girls. Girl. Yes, boy.
Yes.
Oh, ganun. How much?
อันนี้โฮเซล100 บาท อันนี้โฮเซล110 อันนี้ one piece 150
150.
อันนี้ one piece 150 same yes.
Same.
ถ้า you buy 3 piece you can make design.
Okay, so mostly dito mga 3 pieces, wholesale na. Parang bagay sa akin to. Bagay. Tayo Okay, so hanap pa tayo, guys, ha. Ng 130 baht is like 200 pesos. 220, ganyan. Oh. Gusto nyo bang ay, for girls pala. This is for girls. Meron pang mas mura talaga, guys. Yung mga wala sa loob ng ganitong establishment. Pag nasa labas ka, mas mura talaga. Tara, punta tayo sa labas, ha? Kaya kayo kung paparitoke sila, no? Pera nilang ginamit, di ba? Pero ang ganda ng pagkagawa. Pero parang alien. Parang yung dalawang magjowa. Parang alien talaga yung mukha nila. Ay, ayan, lalabas tayo guys sa ano. Lalabas tayo dito sa ano, mall na to. Teka lang. Ay, oo, dito pala ako. Yan, may altar naman sa likod guys. Oh. Diba? Number 23. Okay. So, nakabili na tayo ng tatlong t-shirt for 490. Ano? 390 baht. Meron silang mga parang ganito guys. Oh. Labubu. Labubu. So, 100 baht lang siya per piece. Pero wholesale yung 100 baht guys. Ang nilalagay nila lagi is yung... sorry. Nilalagay nila lagi. Sorry. Ang nilalagay nila lagi is yung wholesale na price. How much? Oversize. Zone oversize. How much per piece? 90. Wholesale. 3 pieces.
Yes.
Okay, so 3 pieces. Guys, ang ganda talaga ng mga tela nila. Alam mo yun? Iba. Iba yung datingan ng mga tela nila. Made in Thailand talaga ang partner. Diba? So, it's a free size.
Oversized.
Oversize, free size. Any size.
Only one size.
Only one size. Oh, pag free size, only one size. Oversize, ibig ko sabihin oversize is parang malaki sa'yo. Paano pag malaki yung tao? Fitted din sa kanya, no? Oversize. 90 baht only. Very nice. I like this. For only one, how much?
150. 150. Cannot.
Ayaw nyo talaga. I like this. I like this. I'll look for two more. Wait. I'm going to call Zoren, ha? So guys, sobrang bigat ng backpack ko. Bili na lang ako ng trolley na maliit. Yan o, maliit na trolley. Good for a laptop, siguro. No? Para at least sa airport din, pwede siyang pang hand carry. So for only 550 baht lang yung bili ko dito. Dito sa may store, tapat ng Platinum Shopping Center. So ayan guys, it's only 550. Actually 650 siya. Tatawaran ko siya ng 550 baht. So nasa mga 930 pesos sa atin. Pwede na, kasi basang-basa na yung likod ko ng pawis. So ayan, nakaano na lang tayo for today. Isang LV shoulder bag, tsaka yung trolley. Okay. Kapon ka! For the, ano na lang tayo ngayon, tulak-tulak. Diba? Ay! So guys, may nakita din ako yung inhaler na tag 100 doon sa mall, at tag 120, 160, 150. Sari-sari yung mga presyo nila doon sa mall. Alam niyo ba kung magkano lang? Dito sa tapat mismo ng fashion mall. Kaya alam niyo ba kung magkano? 90 baht. 99 pala, sorry. Mura siya ng 1 baht. 99 baht ng 6 pieces na yung inhaler. So, I think ito na yung pinakamura. Ito siya, Itong 100 Thailand baht shop. So, ito siya. So, dito tayo bubili. Kasi I think, tignan mo guys, taglipan na yung mga ano nila, Yan. Magkano to sa mall? Ito na yung pinakamura. Ito na yung pinakamura sa lahat na nakita ko. Sa loob ng mall, sa Changi, at iba pa. Ito na yung pinakamura. So guys, bibili na tayo ngayon. Kasi napagod din na ako kakahanap ng mga mura. Ito na siya. Buti na lang hindi pa ako bumili agad-agad. So ayan siya guys. Bibili na tayo nito. 12 pieces. Pasok kaya tayo sa loob. Feeling ko madami pa doon sa loob. Kaso parang masikip. Ang chikip. Teka lang, palabasin mo ng mga tao dito sa loob. Yan. Sige. Wait lang guys, kasi magulo dito. Pasok muna tayo sa loob para makahanap pa tayo ng iba pang mga varieties, ha? So guys, nasa loob na ako ng naghahanap ako nito. Ito Yung Terra Pafe. aroma balm. Kaso wala silang Therapy aroma balm. Sabi nila wala daw silang available. So, meron silang nirecommend sa akin na pastel brand balm stick. So, it's parang similar lang siya doon sa Therapy aroma balm. So, yan na lang pinili natin. Oh, that one, the same? Same, okay. So, meron silang nirecommend. Ang dami nilang tinda, guys. Maloka ka sa nila. Peppermint. Oh, balm. So, this one. Oh. Okay. And then, namili din ako nitong sikat na sikat sa atin. Siyempre, etong, sabi ko kanina, 99 baht for 6 pieces. So, yan. Ang saya dito. Diyos ko, maloka ka. Lahat ng mint, mo dito. Oh, thank you. This one, guys. 6 pieces. Okay. Ate talaga, no? Ate, which one? Which one you recommend?
This one, I think.
Not this one? You don't like this one?
I like.
But this is
one
more
bestseller, yeah.
bestseller.
Yeah.
I'll get the two of them.
Together, yeah. Different, nothing.
Yes. Do you have rose petals? Rose petal aroma. Rose petals. Aroma. Rose. Aroma.
Rose sila, rose tayo.
Hanap kasi ako ng rose petal aroma, guys.
Rose petal na, tayo.
Red rose petal. He's checking. Okay, so guys, we have... Ate is very good, guys. Ang kapungka, ate. We call girls in the Philippines, we call ate. Ate. And boys, we call kuya.
Okay.
Ate, very good. Ate is very good. Oh. Kuya is looking. Kuya looking for rose petal aroma. Oh, perfect. What else? Back pain. How much?
One box is 160, one box.
How many pieces?
10.
10 pieces, 150, 160, 16.
This one, two packet for 100. 159, two for 100.
What do you think,
This one
guys?
is 39.
39, how many? One piece only?
Yeah, one piece 39, three for 100.
Oh, okay.
This one.
So, guys,
Sheila.
oh, rose petal.
Yeah.
Wow! Look, guys, he was able to look for one rose petal aroma. It's Sayambuaka herbal inhaler, and it's rose petal. How much?
One for 39 and three for 100.
I'll get three. You have sample? No sample? Can you open?
Yes.
Guys, this is what I've been looking for. Wala to sa kasi sa Divisoria, sa mga mall sa Pilipinas. Rose petals. Iba kasi yung aroma ng rose petals sa akin. Nare-relax talaga ako dito. Nakakatulog ako.
Yeah.
I like it very much. 2 rose. The other one, what can you recommend?
And this one, 150. This color, 150. This is more. This is already 180 price.
Guys, nag-shopping na ako dito ng mga ng mga inhaler, lahat-lahat. Yung pang matanda na talaga yung effect ko. Lavender.
Yes.
Oh, recommend lavender. So, na-recommend ni Kuya lavender. So, I'll buy 1 lavender and 2 rose petals.
Okay.
What else will I buy? What do you want? My back is always aching. What ointment do you recommend for the back pain? Matanda na tayo, guys. Yung mga likod natin masakit na, di ba? So, what's this? Medicated oil Wangwan brand. How much is this?
That one is 139.
It's expensive,
Yes, but it's also really effective.
but it's a big one. Do you have the smaller one?
Yes, I have with roller.
A roller only. How much is the roller?
Only 59, two for 100.
But it's just very small, no?
Yes. Also, we have the tiny one.
Ang galing ni Kuya Maramis pag-English. very small.
Yeah.
How much is the smallest?
This was 1 for 39 and 3 for 100.
2 for 100, 140.
This is 140.
Dito ako slight guys. Teka lang guys. Kasi may Amerikanong naghahanap din dito ng sakit din ata yung likod niya guys, no? Kasi please assist kasi. Kasi parang masakit yung buong katawan niya. Ikaw ata yung hinahanap niya kasi. What do you think, no? Okay. I think I'll get the solid one. Ah, it's okay. Okay.
Buy one. You can find cosmetic side.
So guys, hanap pa tayo ng ibang mga bibili dito, no? At guys, tumatanggap sila ng credit card. Imagine. What do you recommend? Recommend na naman tayo.
I mean,
Always recommend.
for hand carry, you should use small one. So you can carry everywhere.
Ayun, maliit na lang tayo guys, no? Okay, the smaller one. Because I don't know yet if it's okay or not. Okay, okay.
So 1 or 3? 1 for 39 and 3 for 100.
3 for 100. What do you think?
3 is better.
Lesser, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get for the 3 for 100. Nagbubudol na ako ni Kuya talaga. Magaling kasi siya mag-English, guys. Very good, Kuya is very good seller. Very good sales. Okay, okay. That's enough for me. Oh, sige. Magpapa-counter na ako, guys, ha? So, see you again kasi tatawid na ako doon sa Platinum Mall. Kasi ito, napag-shopping na ako. Nakapag ano na ako ng maleta. Wala akong pera, guys. Okay, maubos na yung ano natin. Sawadika! Sawadika! Guys, ang sarap nung ointment. Sawadika, bye-bye. So guys, ayun, nanakit yung paa ko sa kakaikot sa Platinum Mall, tsaka dito sa may Prato ng Changi. So kumain na ako, yung paa ko nag-give up na. Kaya no choice ako kundi pumunta dito sa food court at pumili ng food. It's already ng oras na ba? 3:25 p.m. Imagine, nag-start ako kanina ng 11:30 ata. So about 4 hours na akong nagliliwaliw dito sa Prato ng for shopping. So look at what I've got, guys. I have rice with stewed pork limb. This is 65 baht. Okay? So may parang side dish siya. May tinanong siya sa akin kanina, chop? Akala ko i-chop lang yung karne. Additional pala yung side dish. 10 baht yun. So, ayun, nagdagdag ako. Akala ko kasi 55 lang. So, it's 65 baht. Binuksan ko yung maleta ulit. Kanina. Ilagay ko dito yung mga gamit kanina. Ayan yung bag ko. Mga pinamili ko, etc. Siguro mga gumastos na ako ng mga siguro 2,000 baht. So guys, tikman muna natin tong binili ko na rice with stewed pork limb. And then bumili din ako doon sa kabila, no, sa coffee diff ng isang espresso with milk for 40 baht. Ayan, may libreng pa soup. Yan, soup. And then yung sausawan na maanghang with sili. And then that's it. Kain, guys. Tikman natin, ha? Let's see. Parang same-same ko nung kinain ko kanina. Yung breakfast. May itlog nga lang yun. Hindi manghang. Wala anghang. Hindi din. Hindi rin siya manghang. Pagkain ko yung sili sa manghang. Baka hindi talaga maanghang itong ulam na. Nag-expect ako lagi na maanghang yung ano nila eh. No? Try natin ito, guys. Kain. Sarap. That's it, guys. After kain na to, uwi muna ako sa hostel. And that's it for today, guys. And hope to see you again in the next one. Bye-bye.